All right, AI enthusiasts, buckle up. First up, we've got a seismic shift in the AI world as Anthropic agrees to a staggering $1.5 billion copyright settlement. This is huge, involving claims over millions of copyrighted books used to train their popular Claude AI chatbot. We're talking about one of the largest settlements ever in intellectual property disputes for AI training data, and it could set a major precedent. Next, we're shifting gears to supercharge your development game. Get ready for a deep dive into 36 genius Claude code tips and tricks that promise to make your coding workflow absolutely effortless. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these strategies from AI with Avthar are designed to streamline debugging, manage complex projects, and amplify your productivity like never before. And that's not all. We're also unpacking the finer details of this massive $1.5 billion copyright settlement involving Anthropic and a group of authors. Discover how many books were involved, what the payout per author looks like, and why this case is being called a landmark decision that could impact major AI players like OpenAI and Microsoft. It's a story of innovation, legal battles, and the evolving landscape of AI and copyright law. Finally, we're breaking down the implications of this massive Anthropic settlement, exploring what it means for AI development and copyright as we know it. Plus, we've got the ultimate guide to mastering Claude code with 36 game-changing tips. Don't miss out on all the insights. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from ChatGPT Insights. Anthropic's billion-dollar copyright deal, a new era for AI training. This week, the AI world is buzzing with news of a monumental settlement. Anthropic, the creator of the Claude AI chatbot, has reportedly agreed to a $1.5 billion copyright settlement with a group of authors. This massive agreement stems from allegations that Anthropic used hundreds of thousands of copyrighted books, downloaded from pirated sources, to train its sophisticated AI models. The heart of the dispute lies in the training data used for Claude. Authors accused Anthropic of intentionally downloading and using their works without proper licensing, a practice that raises significant ethical and legal questions in the rapidly expanding field of artificial intelligence. This lawsuit, filed in California, highlighted a critical tension between AI development and intellectual property rights. The settlement, if finalized, represents one of the most substantial payouts to date in the ongoing debate over AI's use of existing creative content. Under the terms of the proposed settlement, Anthropic is set to pay approximately $3,000 per book for an estimated 500,000 books. Crucially, the company has also agreed to destroy the datasets that contain the allegedly pirated material, alongside paying interest on the settlement amount. This move addresses the core of the author's concerns regarding the ongoing use of their work. A U.S. district judge is scheduled to review the settlement details, with a final decision expected soon. This case is particularly noteworthy as it follows a previous ruling where a judge suggested that the use of these books for training AI could be considered transformative and therefore fair use. A complex legal doctrine that often hinges on the specific context and purpose of the use. Public reaction has been swift, with many in the creative community hailing the settlement as a victory for authors' rights, while others ponder the financial implications for AI development. Industry analysts are watching closely, as this agreement could serve as a significant warning and precedent for other major AI players like OpenAI and Microsoft, who are also facing similar copyright infringement lawsuits over their training data. The outcome underscores the growing need for clear legal frameworks governing AI training data and the protection of intellectual property in the digital age. Will this landmark deal reshape how AI models are trained moving forward? Stay tuned as we explore how this impacts the future of AI and copyright, and what's next for tech giants in our next story. Unlock your coding potential with Claude Code, 36 Pro Tips. Imagine slashing your coding time and boosting your productivity to unprecedented levels. That's the promise of Claude Code, an AI-powered assistant designed to revolutionize your development workflow. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned developer tackling complex projects, mastering Claude Code can transform tedious tasks into a seamless, almost effortless process. This isn't just about convenience. It's about fundamentally changing how you approach coding. From automating repetitive tasks to managing entire project lifecycles, Claude Code offers a powerful suite of features. The key is knowing how to leverage them effectively. This comprehensive guide, presented by AI with Avthar, breaks down 36 actionable tips, meticulously categorized for beginners, intermediate users, and advanced coders. You'll learn how to build efficient workflows, integrate specialized subagents, and even implement parallel processing for maximum output. The guide delves into practical applications, showing you how to seamlessly integrate Claude Code with tools like GitHub, automate the generation of changelogs, and customize commands to fit your specific project needs. It's all about coding smarter, saving valuable time, and potentially reducing development costs. For those who have wondered how to elevate their coding projects, these insights offer a clear path forward. The article emphasizes that understanding Claude Code's capabilities, from strategic planning tools and workflow automation to advanced customization, is crucial for enhancing productivity and achieving greater efficiency. Developer communities are already discussing the potential of these tips, with many sharing their own experiences and successes using Claude Code. The article also touches upon the flexible pricing plans, noting that while API usage can incur costs, the efficiency gains often justify the investment. This guide provides a roadmap to harnessing the true power of this AI assistant, ensuring you can optimize your coding projects and stay ahead in the fast-paced world of software development. Ready to transform your coding? We've got the ultimate guide. But first, let's dive into the massive copyright settlement that's sending shockwaves through the AI industry. Anthropic's $1.5 billion settlement, a turning point for AI and copyright. In a move that could redefine the legal landscape for artificial intelligence, AI developer Anthropic has reportedly agreed to a landmark $1.5 billion settlement to resolve a copyright infringement lawsuit brought by a group of authors. The case centered on allegations that Anthropic used copyrighted books without permission to train its popular Claude AI chatbot. This settlement is particularly significant because it addresses one of the most contentious issues in AI development: the use of existing copyrighted material for training large language models. The authors claimed that Anthropic had accessed and utilized hundreds of thousands of copyrighted books, many allegedly obtained from pirated online sources, to build its AI's knowledge base. This legal battle has been closely watched, as it touches upon the fundamental rights of creators and the innovative drive of AI companies. The proposed settlement, detailed in reports, outlines Anthropic's commitment to paying a substantial sum to compensate the authors. While the exact distribution details are still being finalized, it's estimated that around 500,000 authors could be involved, potentially receiving approximately $3,000 each. This figure, while significant in aggregate, has sparked discussion about the value placed on individual works compared to the immense profits AI companies can generate. Anthropic has also agreed to destroy the training datasets containing the disputed material, a critical step in addressing the copyright concerns. The final approval of this settlement rests with a U.S. district judge who will review the terms in an upcoming hearing. This resolution comes at a critical juncture, especially following a recent court ruling that initially suggested Anthropic's training methods might constitute fair use. However, the specific accusation of downloading from pirated websites introduced a new layer to the legal argument, giving the authors a strong basis for their suit. The broader implications are vast. This settlement could serve as a crucial precedent, influencing dozens of similar lawsuits filed against other major AI companies, including OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, and Meta. The creative community is closely following these developments, emphasizing the need for fair compensation and legal clarity in the age of AI. This massive settlement is just the beginning of our AI News Blitz. Next up, we're revealing 36 genius tips to make you a master of Claude Code. Mastering Claude Code, 36 tips for effortless AI development. Are you ready to revolutionize your coding workflow and achieve unparalleled efficiency? Claude Code, the AI-powered assistant, is here to transform how developers build and manage projects, turning complex tasks into a streamlined, almost effortless experience. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into AI coding or a seasoned professional navigating intricate software development, Claude Code offers a wealth of features designed to amplify your productivity. This isn't merely about saving time, it's about unlocking a smarter way to code. Claude Code excels at automating repetitive tasks, managing entire project workflows, and providing intelligent assistance throughout the development lifecycle. The key to harnessing its full potential lies in understanding and implementing the right strategies. This comprehensive guide, brought to you by AI with Avthar, presents 36 actionable tips, thoughtfully categorized by skill level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Dive deep into practical applications as you learn to set up seamless workflows, utilize specialized subagents for targeted tasks, and even run parallel processes to maximize efficiency. The guide provides invaluable insights into integrating Claude Code with essential tools like GitHub, automating the creation of changelogs, and customizing commands to perfectly suit your unique development needs. It's an essential resource for anyone looking to reduce development time, cut costs, and code with greater intelligence. Online communities and forums are already abuzz with discussions about these Claude Code tips, with developers sharing how these strategies have dramatically improved their project outcomes. The article also highlights the practical considerations of Claude Code's pricing plans, suggesting that the significant time and efficiency savings often outweigh the costs, especially for the Pro and Max tiers. By mastering these 36 tips, developers can unlock the full power of Claude Code, enhancing productivity, reducing expenses, and elevating their coding projects to new heights. Ready to code like a pro with Claude Code? But first, let's recap the massive AI copyright settlement that's making headlines. And that's a wrap on today's AI news explosion. We've seen Anthropic agree to a monumental $1.5 billion copyright settlement, potentially setting a new precedent for AI training data. We've also uncovered 36 genius tips to supercharge your coding with Claude Code, making development more efficient than ever. Don't miss out on any of the AI breakthroughs. Make sure you're subscribed to ChatGPT Insights, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, and let us know in the comments which story blew your mind the most. Follow us on all social platforms for more cutting-edge AI updates.